ग्रामर चैप्टर 1 कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर नाउन। इसके पहले मैं ऑलरेडी कॉमन एंड प्रॉपर नाउन का डिस्क्रिप्शन दे चुकी हूँ। देन टू आई रिवाइज इट वंस फॉर दोज who have still confusion in their mind. Right? Common nouns are those words which are commonly used by everyone. Maybe the people, maybe the place, maybe the thing, maybe the bird, maybe the animals, anything. Right? For example, if I say boy, क्या मैं किसी पर्टिकुलर बॉय की बात कर रही हूं? नो, आई एम यूजिंग कॉमन वर्ड्स, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई से गर्ल, सो मैं किसी पर्टिकुलर गर्ल के बारे में बात कर रही हूं? नो, आई एम यूजिंग गर्ल फॉर कॉमन, राइट? दीज आर गर्ल्स, वे लड़कियां हैं। सो गर्ल्स, मैं अभी सारी कॉमन गर्ल्स के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ। बट इफ आई से हर्षिता इज अ गर्ल, सो हर्षिता, मैं पर्टिकुलरली हर्षिता की बात कर रही हूँ। सो हर्षिता इज प्रॉपर नाउन एंड गर्ल इज कॉमन नाउन, क्योंकि मैं उस गर्ल की बात कर रही हूँ। गर्ल इज कॉमन नाउन एंड द हर्षिता इज प्रॉपर नाउन, राइट? दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल फॉर people. Now I'll say the example of animals. Dog is barking there, so dog is common noun. Sparrow are chirping there. Sparrow is a bird. It's a common noun, right? Boy is playing there. It is common noun for the people, but one more word. For example, I saw a giraffe in the jungle. So giraffe, common noun. Jungle, common noun for place. Giraffe is an animal and jungle is a place. So I am not talking about any particular jungle. I am talking about jungle. So it is a common noun for place. There are many cities in Gujarat. गुजरात में बहुत सारे cities हैं. So गुजरात is a state. मैं उस state के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ जो गुजरात है, right? So गुजरात is proper noun and cities. मैंने अभी कोई भी particular city का नाम नहीं लिया है. I am talking about cities. There are many cities in Gujarat. So cities. अगर मैं कहूँ cities, common noun for place, and Gujarat, proper noun for place. So this is common and proper noun difference, right? So hope this is clear to you all. On the page number 2, there is a green box. I'll read once for you all. I have a habit to make. You have to underline this and write star mark as well as write an important there. That is IMP. मैं हमेशा करवाती हूँ, right? Mark this as important. I'll read for you all. Naming words are called nouns. Naming words को nouns कहते हैं. Common names of the person, animal, place and things of the same kind are called common nouns. एक ही तरीके के person, animal, person मतलब people, इंसान, animals, जानवर, place, जगह, जिससे मैंने बताया city, school, building, park. अगर मैं किसी पर्टिकुलर जगह का नाम नहीं ले रही हूँ, so it is common noun. For example, if I say school, so school is common noun. But if I say Sevi International School, so the whole name is proper noun, right? Animals. If I say dog, so it is common noun. But if I say I have a dog whose name is So tipsy is proper noun in the category. Place. I have already given you the example for place, that is Gujarat and cities. So the Gujarat is state, that is proper noun, and cities are commonly used by me in this sentence. If I say I live in Morbi city, so in this Morbi is proper noun, okay? City is common noun, okay? So hope this is clear to you all. Yes, the examples are already given here. That is water scooter, bird, dog, child, beach are some common nouns. आगे हमने जो एक्सरसाइज किया था, yes, उसके ये सारे common nouns हैं. Common nouns begins with small letter. Common nouns जनरली स्मॉल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है. इट डजंट मीन कि वो हमेशा स्मॉल लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है. इफ योर कॉमन नाउन इज कमिंग टू द बिगिनिंग, वो अगर बिगिनिंग में आता है, सो यू शुड राइट कैपिटल देयर, क्योंकि वो सेंटेंस की शुरुआत है. यस, इफ आई हैव राइट मंकी इज an animal, so in this M will be capital. Though monkey is common noun, but M will be capital because it is the starting of the sentence. So you have to understand this difference, that generally common noun starts with small letters. We don't have to particularly write capital for that letter, but if it is coming at the beginning of the sentence, you should write capital there, because it is a rule for right sentences. Okay? So hope this is clear to you all. Yes. Now I'll start with exercise A. Here it is given there. Underline the common nouns in the following sentence. Write them in the correct boxes in the picture. Here it is given a picture there with some sentences. These are the sentences which are given there, and in these sentences you have to underline the common nouns as well as with this common noun, the underlined ones, you have to fill the boxes which is given in the picture. So we'll start with number 1. The park is full of flowers. इसी के साथ आपका और एक होमवर्क होगा. होमवर्क मैं अभी बता रही हूँ, सुन लो ध्यान से. एक्सरसाइज A you will complete as I am completing in classwork, right? With this you will complete the pictures, and with this I am giving you 2 more exercises. That is, you have to find verbs from the sentences. Verbs means action words. मैं साथ में बताती जाऊंगी. As well as you will write the type of the nouns. Yes? समझ में आया? नहीं समझ में आया? आगे मैं समझाती हूँ. Type of the noun का मतलब है, if a noun is a boy, it's a person. The common noun for person. So you will write common noun dash person, right? If the type is word is fan, it is common noun thing, right? If a word is dog, common noun animal. इसी के साथ इससे क्या होगा, आपके कॉमन नाउन के टॉपिक्स बहुत ज्यादा क्लियर होते जाएंगे, राइट? सो यू हैव टू फिनिश ऑल द 2 exercises in classwork, and the rest 2 you will write in your notebook. Okay? So I'll start with number 1. The park park is full of flowers. As I always say, you have to make words to be understood in your own language. अगर आप हिंदी हो तो आप हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट कीजिए. अगर आप गुजराती हैं, you can translate in the Gujarati. The understanding is must, right? So the park is full of flowers. Park मतलब garden, is full of मतलब भरा हुआ है flowers. किससे भरा हुआ है? Flowers से. So here park is common noun as it is a place. मैंने पर्टिकुलर किसी पार्क के बारे में बात किया है? Have I said Gandhi Park? Have I said Nana Rani Park? No. This is common noun because it is used. I can see any park full of flowers. Yes. And the flowers will be treated as thing here. So the park is common noun for place and the flowers common noun for thing. Yes. Is full of is your verb, that is action. Right? Two rabbits are playing on the grass. Two means though. This is adjective. Rabbits here common noun, right? Common noun for animals. Are playing मतलब खेल रहे हैं, that is your verb. On मतलब ऊपर, that is your preposition. And the grass is common noun for things. इस चीज को धीरे धीरे और ध्यान से समझना इसीलिए जरूरी है because whenever I teach you, I have a habit to give you the knowledge of all the categories which we know commonly. For example, adjective, verbs, common noun, proper noun, right? जैसे ही हम सारी चीजें एक हैबिट डाल देंगे ना to revise all the things, it will be very easy for us to understand all the concepts. अगर इस हिसाब से आपको एक हैबिट हो जाएगी कि जब भी आप वर्ड पढ़ो, there should be always a hammer in your mind. Yes, this is common noun. Is sitting? Yes, this is verb. On? Yes, this is preposition. Or tree? Yes, it is common noun. So this will help you to understand all the topics very easily. अभी मैं नाउन सिखा रही हूँ, शायद कल मैं वर्ब्स वाला चैप्टर ले लूँ, शायद कल मैं प्रपोजिशन वाला चैप्टर ले लूँ. इससे it will be very easy to you understand all the concepts. और सिर्फ एक टॉपिक में नहीं, आपको ये हैबिट हर टॉपिक में होनी चाहिए. This will make you to understand English very easily. हमें ऐसा लगता है इंग्लिश बहुत डिफिकल्ट लैंग्वेज है. नो, इट इज नॉट लाइक दिस. इंग्लिश इज वेरी इजी लैंग्वेज as we know all other languages. But practice should be there, right? So to adjective, rabbits, common noun, animals, are playing verbs, on preposition, the grass, common noun for thing. Number 3, a monkey is sitting on a tree. A monkey, यहाँ पे आया है, that means it is telling me one monkey. So monkey is my common noun for animal. Is sitting is my verb. On is my preposition which is not required here. And a tree. Tree is my common noun. Yes? Next. There is a beehive on the tree. There is a beehive. Beehive मतलब मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. Yes. There मतलब वहाँ. Beehive मतलब मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. On is my preposition. Tree is my noun. So beehive and tree is my common noun and is my helping verb here. Right? Number 5. The bees are flying around the beehive. The bees मतलब मधुमक्खियाँ are flying, उड़ रहे हैं, around preposition to, and the beehive मतलब मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. Bees common noun. They are insects. Insects. Beehive is my common noun. Around is my preposition. Okay? And are flying are my verbs. A boy eating an ice cream. A boy is eating. Sorry. A boy is eating. So, boy is my common noun. Is eating is my verb. And ice cream is my common noun. Yes. Hope this is clear to you all. So, now this you will complete in your textbook as well as you will find your words in this picture. For example, park. Can you see a park? Park is already written there. Flowers. Can you see the flowers there? Yeah, it's down. Then rabbits. Can you see the rabbits? Yes. It is plural. So there are shown 2 rabbits there. You should make a note of this. There are 2 arrows shown. So rabbits. Then grass. Can you see the grass there? Yes, it is shown down. Then monkey. Can you see a monkey there? Yes, the monkey is there. Tree. Can you see a tree there? Yes. Beehive. Can you see a beehive there? Yes, it is behind the monkey on the tree. And can you see bees there? Yes. There are 3 bees which are shown there. So you will write bees there. And a boy. Can you see a boy there? Yes. And an ice cream. Can you see ice cream there? Can you see an ice cream there? Yes. So hope this is clear to you all. And with this, I'll complete my chapter. I'll complete my exercise A. These 2 things you will complete in your CW. And the rest 2. That is nouns and their types as well as the verbs. You will write in your notebook. This is homework for the day. Prepare everyone.